Good afternoon, everyone. It is December 11th here at KIT Iizuka for English 7C, fifth period. Um, Two of the students are not here today, so this video might be especially important because I want to make sure that everybody understands what was going on. Today's class 9, and here is the description for class 9. There were a couple of things that I wanted to do that were fairly important, but I guess I'll have to put them off until next week. I hope everybody can come next week. But what we'll do with the one student that is here is we're going to go over the shadow talking material. We'll probably go over this a little bit again next week because the shadow talking for this week is also connected to the reflection assignment for this week, which is also connected. All of these are connected to one of the other assignments next week for December 18th, which is the assignment on, oops, there it is, the assignment on liaisons. Sorry about that, the assignment on liaisons. Now, I don't know about each person, but in Canada, some native speakers refer to this particular phenomenon in English where words are connected. The pronunciation of English from one word to the next is connected. In Canada, we refer to that not as connecting or linking. We have a different word that we use, and that word that we use is called liaisons. And I wanted to talk about liaisons starting today to shadow talk the material that we were going to use for liaisons, and then to actually do some more liaison work next week. So what we're going to do today is to do that shadow talking work that we'll do here, creativity, and then we'll do the liaisons next week again. I'll try to introduce it for the other two students who aren't here, so everybody gets a good chance to do it. But that's what we're doing today. We're going to be doing the shadowing for this week, the vocabulary quiz, which will be due on December 22nd, which is Sunday. So basically a week and a half from now, is based on units 7 and 8. And units 7 and 8, we did, I think, on the 20th. Was it the 13th? Sorry. November 13th. That's where the Quizlet material is. And now we have the vocabulary quiz for it here. And the last thing is the reflection. And the reflection is this video. Please watch the video, write what you think, take a picture, send it up. And it's important that you do this before what we're doing next week, because it will really help you understand. But I think most Japanese students now, basically, you study this in junior high school or high school. Anyway, we'll talk about that after I finish this. If you have any questions, especially if you didn't come to class today, please contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com. Otherwise, let's have a good class today.